The realm of mobile photography has witnessed a significant boost in quality thanks to Xiaomi's recent efforts. The latest addition to their lineup, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, takes the company's competitive edge to new heights, combining flagship performance with unparalleled functionality. While the design of the device remains somewhat familiar, the phablet boasts a sleek range of photo modules and top-tier construction materials such as glass and metal. The frameless AMOLED display, measuring a massive 6.73 inches, delivers an impressive resolution of 3200 x 1440 pixels, featuring 120 Hz refresh rate and excellent color accuracy. The device also incorporates an in-screen fingerprint sensor that exhibits exceptional accuracy, while effectively mitigating the harmful effects of the PWM effect. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra is a dream phone not only for regular users but also for gamers. With the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU, 12 or 16 GB RAM, and Adreno 740 graphics core, this device delivers flawless performance for even the most resource-intensive games. It's hard to fault the power efficiency of the chipset, with the device lasting up to a day and a half on a single charge from its 5000 mAh battery. The device supports fast wired charging, 90 watt, or its wireless alternative, 50 watt, and offers storage options up to a whopping 1024 GB in the advanced UFS 4.0 format. The device's photography capabilities are undoubtedly its standout feature, boasting a 50-megapixel Sony IMX989 main sensor with variable aperture, a wide-angle lens, and telephoto lenses with 3x and 5x optical zoom. The camera's hybrid stabilization and 8K video recording capabilities create high-quality video files that rival professional equipment. The device's stereo speakers also offer balanced, pleasant, and loud sound quality. Other features of the Xiaomi 13 Ultra include NFC support for contactless payments, 5G network compatibility, IP68 protection against dust and moisture, an infrared port, and a well-designed MIUI shell interface. While the device may lack a global version, it's a minor issue that doesn't detract from the gadget's impressive functionality. In conclusion, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra is a game-changer in mobile photography, combining top-tier hardware with exceptional camera capabilities, a beautiful display, and outstanding performance. It's an excellent investment for photography enthusiasts and power users alike.